guys, welcome to the vlog. In today's vlog, I'm eating some chocolate brownie or Japanese brownie. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 So guys, wait for a minute. So guys, I'm back, and eventually, I just love that it's just like this, guys. So guys, let's just have some games, but let's just play some other games like this motorcycle game, vroom, 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 or solar system game, Mercury, Venus. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but and guys, look at that. We have a Wi-Fi. Woo. Long time ago, when I was starting my YouTube channel, there's already have a signal. Start 2018 all the way to 2019 is the year. It's what our signal traveled for 1 year. So guys, I have some lot of toys here. I just know what to do. Oh, I know. What is in here? I know that I'm gonna do. Wow! Woo! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Woo! Whoa! Ah! It's just shattered in here. Just whoa! Woo! Where it goes? Where it goes? Oh, it's right in the middle. Oh, I just about my airplane. Where's my airplane? So guys, I'm back. You can see my plane, and whoa! Let's try with. It actually flies. Let's make a second one. So this is the instruction how to make a airplane. First, you need to have a. Okay, guys. First things first. You have to make a paper airplane. You have to fold a sheet of paper like that, and you have to fold the other side and the same size as the other side. How to make a paper airplane. Okay, guys, just say that together. Woo! Okay, this is the same size. This is actually the same size. Just okay, guys. Okay, and let's just make a paper airplane. You have this, and that is what it looks like, and you have to squeak have a little bit of magic. Just kidding. And if you have, you open it and it opens. Okay, it's a little bit shorter. And ta-da! Your homemade paper airplane is being completed. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that plane. The other plane. Like, oh. This is my planes. Whoa, you can see my mother right there. What? Oh, look at that. Flying. What? Wait for a minute. So guys, I am back. And look at my paper airplane. Whoa. You can see the paper airplane. Getting destroyed right there. There we go. My airplane has completed. You can see there's some colors. So this is not it. And this is it. The paper airplane that we made. Sorry about that, but okay, guys, let's fly it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's just shattered. Let's just try it harder. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and whoa! You even see that, guys? Let's try it again. Where'd it go? It goes all the way there. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. It's actually working. Wait for a minute. So guys, let's fly it again. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, let's be right back again. So guys, I'm back and let's turn on this fan. Windmill, 3, 2, 1. Let's windmill twice power. This is twice power. This is twice and twice power. This is the third one. The most powers. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's just blowing the plane. You can see this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! It's going just high. It's just going high. In 3, 2, 1. It's just crossed. It's just crossed. In 3, 2, 1. What? Okay, this is right directly. This is fly about to space. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the end of this video. So thank you for watching Tryke the YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think on our video in our next video. See you next time. Bye!